Welcome back to Teshkid FX for another Harmony One price update. The current price for Harmony One is at the $0.16 mark, and in this video I'll be giving you my key expectations that I expect to see on this chart, and I think they must play out basing on the fact that Bitcoin is selling off, and according to TradingView the market is down by 3.31%. and from the high that we made at the $0.137 mark, the market is down by 55%. So what are my key expectations? My very first one is that we are going to continue seeing lower prices for Harmony One, and once that move plays out, I expect us to hit this support that we have on the $0.15 mark, and we are just about to touch it. And once we touch it, if that support does not hold, I expect us to unlock even lower prices and touch the $0.13 mark. And I think once that move plays out, we'll have a bounce back to the upper side, and that move might take us to an all-time high. And the reason as to why I'm saying that is because you can see on this chart I have ABC correction that is over here. From this all-time high took us to this low that we have on the $0.13 mark, around the $0.13 mark, then a wave B which took us to the high that we made on the $0.37 mark, and then another low which took us to the $0.16 mark. So if we see a 0.13 Harmony One, I think this Harmony One have done whatever it needed to do in its ABC correction. So that move will be a continuation of this ABC correction, and once Harmony does that, whatever should follow on this other side is a move that should take us to an all-time high. So that's my very first key expectation. And the second one is that we might find support on the $0.15 mark, and from there we can then have a bounce back to the upper side and maybe touch the break above the $0.26 mark, where we have our next key resistance. And once we touch that key resistance, we can then have a bounce back, retest, and then unlock even higher prices. So that's the second key scenario that I expect to see. But my very key support that I stand with at the moment is the one of us going to the $0.13 mark, and once we see the $0.13 mark, we can then have a bounce back to the upper side. And if that move plays out, also note that the price maybe can hammer into the zone that I have over here, and once that happens, I think that would be a worst case scenario, because we might unlock even lower prices than the $0.13 mark. But for me, I expect the $0.13 mark might hold then give us support to have a bounce back to the upper side. So let's be patient and see how the market plays out. I'll keep you updated, so make sure you hit the like, subscribe and notification bell.